The Doré location in downtown Lake Charles is one that we've had since 2015. It's composed of some older equipment that we have really taken care of in a consistent and a very intentional way. We've made it last a long time, but nothing can totally overcome the effects of a hurricane. And so in that process, we were asked to come in and replace some of the key components of that whole overall system. And this has been months in the making. And it's a very detailed exercise with a lot of moving parts. There's plumbing that has to be taken into consideration, and the sprinkler system and the fire alarm system and the roof and the electrical infrastructure and actual disassemblance of the existing system, and of course the replacement of with the new system. It's been a very structured approach that's had a lot of thought from a lot of different areas go in. On this particular job with the Doré building, we came up with the design specifications of the equipment, and there were actually some modifications that needed to be made that were just in the customer's best interest, and now was the time to do it. And so they were very understanding and cooperative, and they wanted this to be truly a long-term permanent solution. The customer was insistent that Star Service drive the process, and that was we felt like a really good testimony to our history with them.